everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Trendsend. I am so pleased that you have joined me. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Please be certain to subscribe and join me again. And to my returning viewers, hi everyone, welcome back. I am real excited to get into this Trendsend box. Trendsend is a styling service through the store Evereve. And Evereve is a women's clothing store that is nationwide, but they don't have a store in my city, but that's okay. I can get my Evereve through Trendsend. I will leave all the information about Trendsend by Evereve in the description box below, as well as my referral link. If you use my referral link, Trendsend then offers me 20% off anything I buy in my next box. Thank you to all the ladies that have used my link. You guys are so great. Thank you very much. And it's really cool. Once you get your first Trendsend, you will get your own link to share with your friends and family, and you get to save a little bit of money. So it works out really nice. With Trendsend, you can decide how often you get it. You can get it on demand, or you can put it up for a regular delivery. I have mine delivered every month. When the box goes out, they charge your credit card $1. There is no styling fee with Trendsend. They also send you an email when they ship your box with the tracking information and whatnot. I normally don't read those emails. I receive a lot of boxes and I know they all send me an email saying, look for your box, but I read this one. I read the last email from Trendsend, and what it said was starting January 30th, if I'm not mistaken, January 30th, Trendsend is changing the way that they do business. They will now start charging a $20 styling fee, but the good news is they are going to give all Trendsend customers 10% off if you buy 3 or more pieces, which is one I always request sale pieces to be put in my box, and sometimes that happens and sometimes it doesn't, because the clothing in my Trendsend box is often pricey, but the quality usually matches the price. This time I didn't ask for anything. Let's see what my stylist sent for me. So this is what my box looks like, and it looks like there's a couple bundles there, and they enclose a return mailer so I can return anything that I don't choose to keep postage free at the post office. That's a plus. And okay, let's get into these 2 bundles. Here is bundle number 1, and this looks promising. It looks a bit like a jacket that I returned, and I asked them to send it to me again if it ever went on sale. Let's see if that's what it is. Okay, on the top, we have a V-neck tank top, and that's kind of a swing tank top too. I hope it swings around my middle. It's a V-neck there. Oh, you know what? In my last Trendsend box, I did buy an olive tank top. So I got another one. This one feels really, really super soft. This is Peyton Jensen. This is $48 for this tank top. Pricey. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Danger, danger. These are Hudson Denim. These are, ooh, $198. But these ones are special. These are called the Enhance. Can you see that? Enhance, it says slimming, super soft stretch denim that sculpts, molds, and holds for every body type. $198, gosh. I do not think these are in my budget. And they actually look an awful lot like the Barbara denim they already sent me. It's almost the same wash, and it also has the unfinished hemline, which is really very, very similar to what they sent before. Perhaps the only difference is this might be a tad bit lighter wash. Ooh, wow, this box is looking expensive. Okay, next up we have, oh my goodness, look at this. This is not the same jacket. This is Marrakech. This is, it's almost like a denim jacket with a lot of stretch in it. I guess it's a moto, which is not really my favorite look. A bomber, short length. We do have pockets here, but I like the detail of this hood. This hood is pretty thin. Let's see if it's detachable. Yeah, it's detachable. It buttons off. So we'll see how that looks on. This jacket is not lined. I know, you'll get a better, $158. Oh my goodness, this is expensive. Let's hope for some sale items in this next bundle. This is the next bundle. On the top, we have a black blouse. So my first impressions, I'm not real crazy about this. It's got the elastic band at the cuff. It's a wrap top, and it's got lace around the neck and all the way down that wrap. Kind of a bubble top. It does look like there's a modesty closure right here, but it is open, and this just looks so dark. I'm just not in the mood for all this black right now. We have some denim. Oh, cut from the cloth. These are the Connie ankle skinny. These look all right. They have a little tiny bit of distressing in them, like right here and there, and we do have, we have that like tulip hem, the step hem there where it's a little bit shorter in the front. I love that. So, okay, let's look, see what they are. Oh, yay. Finally, something's on sale. These are regularly $89 and they're on sale for $68.99. That's a plus. $68.99, and then I'll get the 20% off. These might be great if they fit. Let's hope for some more sale stuff. Ooh, this is dark. We have a jacket. This is a blazer type jacket with that waterfall front. Can you see? It's so hard to show those on camera. And then we have these faux leather sleeves. And this is kind of like a fleece sweatshirt type fabric. It's not lined. And who is this one by? This one is by Peyton Jensen. We have some zip pockets on the sides. Price tag on this one? $118. Wow, okay. This is really a pricey box, which scares me because I tend to like all of the expensive items that I try on. With every Trendsend box, you do get a note from your stylist, and I was styled by Elizabeth. Elizabeth has sent me boxes before because you don't really have a dedicated stylist with Trendsend, but this girl does a great job for me. And once again, I think she sent some really fabulous pieces. Let's talk about them and the prices. Okay, the first piece that she sent is this Live Modal Tee by Peyton Jensen. It feels great. I mean, modal cotton always feels fabulous. I like that this tee had some extra length on it. The V was pretty deep. It didn't bother me. The armholes were perfect. I think this was a great fit. My price is $38.40, and at $38, I think that's a good price for this t-shirt, but honestly, I don't know if I could pay full price for it, so I'm really happy to have the discount. I will probably add this one to my closet. The next thing are the Hudson Barbara ankle skinny jeans, and I like these. Now, you do get a note from your stylist, and my stylist did say that she sent these because she really enjoys the wash. She thinks this is a unique wash, and I think they're great. They feel fabulous, and they wear really fabulous because I do have these. I bought them from Trendsend, but I think they're too close to the ones I already have. I'll confess, I own over 50 pairs of denim. So if I'm going to purchase a pair of denims, I really need them to be a little bit different. And this is just too much like the Hudson Barbara denim that I already have. I could pick these up for $158, but I am going to pass on them. Okay, the jacket. This is the hooded Monica Moto jacket. And my price on this one is $126.40. And okay, I think it's cute. I like this color. They sent me a blazer in this color that I really liked, and I would prefer a blazer cut jacket to a moto cut jacket. I'm not real crazy about them. That's why you don't see me wearing them much, because it's just not my thing, to be honest with you. Now, I thought the hood was a really nice detail on this, but it looked silly on. So I guess it's just to be worn as a decoration, and the hood is really thin. It's not very substantial, and the weight of the jacket is a nice stretchy. This is a nice jacket. It just really is not for me. Okay, the black top, the Allison Joy, that cross front top with the lace on it. I didn't like this one out of the gate. Once I put it on, my mind was changed. I do think this is a lovely top. With the discount, I could get this blouse for $54.40. I just don't know that I need it because I really don't enjoy wearing black very much. And I know it's a neutral, it's easy to style. I just shy away from it. Look how stark it is. I mean, I don't know. I do think this is a lovely blouse, very well made. I have no complaints about it. I just don't know if I can fit it into my life. The cut from the cloth, the Connie ankle skinny, I like these. I like cut from the cloth. I love this hem detail. I always like the unique hem detail, just something a little bit different, and I like these an awful lot. The price is right. With my discount, I can get these for $55, which is fabulous. Okay, but my true thoughts on these pants, they sent them one size down. That's what they do with cut from the cloth. So when I put them on, they feel tight. If you wear cut from the cloth for a little while, they will kind of stretch out and feel less tight. But I'm always reluctant to buy pants that feel uncomfortably tight. The good news is with Trendsend, I could email them and they would send these out in a size larger if I decide to do that. So I do think I will be purchasing these. I just have to decide if I want to size up in them. So I do think I'll wear these a little bit more to decide what size I want to get them in. The last piece, the Peyton Jensen, this is the Maddie jacket, and this is in heather gray and the faux leather. This is really kind of a cute piece. It is really thick knit sweatshirt type fabric through the body here, and then a very thin faux leather arm. I did just buy a piece that is very, very similar to this. This one is more substantial in weight, but this one is also a lot more expensive. I'm going to be content with the jacket I just purchased that is similar to this. It doesn't have the leather sleeves, but it's similar in cut and color. So I'm good. That's my Trendsend. I'm really happy with the items I received. I will be keeping the cut from the cloth denims and perhaps the black cross front top. Do I need more black in my life? And I'm also considering the black V-neck t-shirt. Wow. Oh, I need to lighten things up. I'm ready for spring. How about you? I am curious to hear what you think about the items I received. So please leave your comments below. I do my best to answer everyone's comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up? We'll be back in 2 days with another video. It's going to be about clothes. I have boxes and boxes of clothes to share with you. So please be certain to subscribe and tap that bell. Join me for my next video. Until then, blessings to all of you.